I mean, it feels like that time is really ticking for Photoshop, and in today's update, you're gonna see exactly why. What used to be impossible to do in AI is now possible, and even then some. Today, you're gonna see how to create the most realistic, impressive, but not just any AI images. These are AI images that are fully, completely, and natively rendered for background transparency. So the first thing we're gonna do is use a strategy from another strategy I showed you previously. And it starts like this. It's gonna basically say, what is Ideogram for? Tell me about it. Then generate incredible prompt examples, especially related to what Ideogram states you can do via their post on X. And here is their X post right here. Now that's related to this video specifically. However, I wouldn't recommend you ignoring these. I would actually recommend you trying these out on your own. You can see these are going to be the first few prompts we get. But what we're doing today are those specific native transparent background images.
Guys, the Let's AI School community is out. I guarantee you won't find a place that gives away so much. Click the link in the description. So
one thing you have to pay special attention to is this. Now, if you used the first strategy correctly, you should get at least one prompt example that is designed specifically for generating transparent background images, okay? So if that's the case, you'll do this. If that's not the case, you'll then want to make sure you say, here's this X post again, please add an example prompt for the new update for native transparent background images. So after you at least get one of those examples, test it out to see if it does it. Once you have a prompt that did it successfully, this is what you want to say next. Just this portion right here. Now give me 5 prompts for this category you mentioned. What you're going to do is paste in the specific prompt number that Claude gave you previously that contained that background transparent image. Okay, in my case, it was prompt number 2, native transparent background logo brand asset. I said this showcases the transparent background feature, one of the 4 pillars from their X post. Generate it, use it instantly, no Photoshop masking needed. All right, and just like that, it gives me 5 transparent background logo brand assets, just like that. Now the next thing you can do is say it again in a different way. Give me 5 more like this, all different ideas, subjects, and styles. That way it's not going to be just logos and brands alone. And now look at this. It gives me everything from a mythical creature to a robot character, fantasy dragon, and the list goes on. Now if you really want to get specific, say that down here below. Now say, give me 5 with these subjects. And now just type in your specific ideas. You could say a supercar. Now I haven't tried this yet, but we could even say a t-shirt mock-up with my attached logo. And so what I'll do is I'll drop in this text right here. This is just my Metrics Mule text logo, okay, for number 3. And then I'll just add 2 more things specific for logos. Now, while that's thinking, what we're going to do is bring up Magnific. With Magnific now open on the left-hand side, let's ensure that we have Ideogram 4 selected, okay? Hit model, and it opens up right here, and we'll see that Ideogram 4, it still has new. Make sure that that one is selected. And here is where we're going to specifically paste in the prompts that we're going to get from Claude. Okay, let's come back over here, and we get prompt number 1 all the way down to prompt number, it's on 3. It's going to continue to go. Now, last but not least, to really upgrade your prompts, there is one other thing you can do. And that's because that Ideogram 4 actually excels very well at JSON structured prompts. So then what I would suggest next is to say down here below in the chat, just that. Now give me 5 random but creative and unique examples in JSON structured format for Ideogram 4. And now you can see right away, Claude gets to work, and there is prompt 1 already in that JSON structured right there. Perfect. So there you have it. Ideogram 4 right now, it's the #1 AI image model for not only accurate text rendering, but also native transparent background images. As you can see behind me, here are the images that we just got. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And remember, check the links in the description to get a additional large 20% off discount when you sign up for Magnific. And again, if you like this video, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to the